What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we have a 2013 Nissan Altima 2.5 liter and the AC's not working. Let's check it out.
As you can see, our low side pressure is high, which would leave us to believe our AC compressor is suspect. Notice this is the original OEM compressor off of the car, made by a company called Valeo. I've managed to purchase the same exact compressor direct from the manufacturer for half the price of what Nissan would charge for this same part. Now that the new AC compressor is installed and the system is back closed, we want to vacuum down the system, removing any air and moisture from the AC system before charging it back up. Once the system has been vacuumed down for a good amount of time, 20 to 30 minutes would be good. Now that our system is vacuumed down, we can charge it up with 134A. For this particular car, it takes 1.16 pounds of refrigerant. Now, with the new compressor installed, our compressor pressures are more normal. Using the wireless thermometer, the lowered number is the temperature coming out of the vents inside the car. I think it's safe to say the compressor is working at optimal.